How to log in ChatGPT app in mobile. Well, if you want to log into ChatGPT app on your mobile, all you have to do is open up the ChatGPT application. Once you open up the ChatGPT app, this is the kind of interface that you will see, and you might not be currently logged in. Now, it doesn't matter whether it's mobile or computer because the login process is pretty much the same. Tap on the two lines option located at the top left corner of the screen here. Then once you've done that, from the bottom you can find an option that says login or sign up. So you can tap on the login or sign up button there. Then right here you can see the login option again. So go to the login option. Once you go to the login option, before you do this, let me just discuss a little bit. At the bottom, you can see continue with Google, Microsoft, or Apple. So if you want to do this for easier access next time, you can directly log in using any of these platforms here. Or you can simply choose to enter your email address and password manually by tapping on the continue button here and enter your password and tap on continue to log in. If you're not sure what password you typed, you can tap the I button here. If you forgot your password, you can tap on forgot password to reset it. This way you will be able to log in ChatGPT app in mobile. I hope that this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.